When you think of graham crackers, you might think of crushing them up to make a pie crust or a sandwiched around a chocolate and marshmallow concoction. You know, that's a s'more. How about using it inside a cake? Howard shows us how to make his super moist graham cracker cake in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Over the years, we've used graham crackers in all kinds of recipes. You know, we've crushed them and mixed them with melted butter to create the die-for crust for everything from cheesecakes to homemade pies. And everyone knows that if you sandwich a chocolate bar in a toasted marshmallow, between a couple of them, you end up with ooey gooey s'mores. But today, I want to show you how to make an easy as can be recipe that turns graham cracker crumbs into a cake that's amazing. We begin by creaming some butter and sugar. Once that comes together, we mix in a good amount of graham cracker crumbs, some eggs, baking powder, milk, and a bit of vanilla. Now, after stirring in some coconut and pecans, we spoon this into a baking dish. Over that goes a pineapple glaze, and into the oven it goes to bake. After it cools, get ready for a cake that's packed with flavor, thanks to the graham crackers. And boy, is it ever moist. To get your hands on our graham cracker cake recipe, all you have to do is check out our website. You know, I think you'll really be missing out if you don't try this one. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a sweet change of pace way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com. Here's a look at our